To explore the gamut of financial services further, the ET Now SME Caravan reached Alankit Assignments in Delhi. A company incorporated in 1991 by chartered accountant Alok K. Agarwal. Managed today by second-generation entrepreneur Ankit Agarwal, Alankit caters to various financial needs of corporates and individuals alike.
The only way we are different from a bank is we do not accept or give deposits. Apart from that, we render every other services, be it your equity broking, stock broking, commodities, currency, derivatives, hedging, mutual fund, third-party products, IPOs, and a lot of financial inclusion projects like new pension scheme, which is conceived by PFRDA.
Featuring a dedicated trading unit, Alankit allows anyone with a demat account to operate out of the mini stock exchange along with guidance from qualified advisors. Branching out from broking services, the company has also diversified into e-governance and is one of the leading Aadhaar enrollment agencies in India with branches across the country.
In the e-governance, we would have all citizen-related services, which would include your PAN, income tax returns or different sorts of returns mandatorily required, plus the Aadhaar.
We are the basically largest e-governance company, and we have done around 1.25 crores enrollment in the UID first phase, and currently we are doing around 15,000 enrollments per day, and our target is to do around 50,000 to 60,000 enrollments per day.
With a turnover of 100 crore rupees on the books and a network spanning 2,500 franchisee locations pan-India, overseas branches in Singapore, UAE and the UK, Alankit is at an annual growth rate of over 20 to 30% and is aiming to reach 400 crore rupees of turnover in the next 3 years. Expansion into a wider assortment of services is also on the anvil to increase its 15 million customers to many more.
Now we're looking at expanding the portfolio because year on year we are adding services. So probably the insurance demat account would bring in more customers into the net. The National Academic Depository would bring in more customers into the net. And the existing customer base can be widened, giving them the additional services, and the new customers can be added by giving them the new and the additional services.
So moving forward, what are your key focus areas going to be?
Going forward, we're looking at the large number of government projects that are coming in, which relates to demat of insurance policies, which relates to demat of academic records. Then the financial market is bound to grow because of particular government schemes that have come in for the first time investors entering into the equity markets. So with those things, it would help us, the markets would grow further. And that would be our core area of growth for the times to come.
How tough is competition in the financial services sector?
Our competition are our services. So the better we service the client, and we have seen a trend in our company where we need not reach out to a new set of customer base. So when the customers are more satisfied, they come back to us for a repeat service. So the competition in the industry is large, and I would appreciate and love the fact that there is more competition so that people realize the value of what they're investing into. So it's always good to have competition in and around the products.
What would you say is the unique selling point of Alankit Assignments?
The USP would be is the core focus on the customer. So we focus on the customer and not on the money-making opportunity. So the confidentiality and the trust that people have in us, that wherever I go, my data and everything is completely safe, that sets us apart from the competition in the market.
Recognized by Dun & Bradstreet magazine as outstanding equity brokers for 5 years in a row, Alankit assures complete customer satisfaction for the lowest to the highest income groups and continues to deliver on its promise of dependable and cost-effective financial solutions.
Alankit Assignments, the business that you're in, over time, the financial viability of distributing financial products has reduced. Products have become more commodity, so as a result, your profitability must be suffering. So my advice to you would be to pare down your cost of operations, reduce your geographical spread, and rely more on sub-broking operations. The second thing you can do is also focus on more profitable financial products, make the customer engagement more richer, And while I know it is hard to do, but you should try and build relationships where the customers are paying you for the advice that you're giving.